There's nothing more I can say. If I do, it's a cliche, and that's nae way to write poetry, 'cause then it's no worth showing to anybody that you meet in a house or in the street, 'cause they'll just say, oh, by the way, this is a cliche. I didn't ken what cliche means. I first heard cliche in my teens. I've heard it 100 times since then. I've done a cliche and didn't ken. I'm doing it the new with this pen. They're doing it number 10. Pretty soon all the masses will be put in cliche classes. Some with soft hats, some with bonnets, writing cliche books and sonnets. Cliche wins the Pulitzer Prize as the starving poet dies in the gutter. And that's another cliche.